All right, we're going to move on to part 2 now of our Snorty installation. And this is going to just add to the configuration. In the previous video, we did the snort-v, which gave us the version number, which verifies that Snort is actually working. There's a little piggy over here. Okay, so now we're going to add a couple of groups into our Linux configuration. Right here, we're going to add a group called Snort. We're going to add Snort. We're going to basically restrict Snort from doing nothing on the system. We don't want it to log in or anything like that for added security. So, what's up with my thing? Hold on. Oh, shit. Sorry, I messed that one up. Oh, I messed it up. One sec. Boobadoo. We're going to sudo group add snort. Okay. I don't know what the frig is going on. Okay. Sudo group add snort. There we go. That went through. Okay, now we're going to restrict Snort. So I really can't do anything except Snort related stuff. Now we're going to create some configuration directories. So we're going to create etc snort. We're going to create etc snort rules. We're going to create etc snort. Oh, we're going to create, I'm trying to copy and paste this from my thing. We're going to create etc snort rules IP lists. We're going to also create etc snort preproc rules, preprocessor rules, obviously, or preprocessing rules. We're going to also create a fold here called, snort dynamic rules. And then we need SO rules. Perfect. Now we need to create some files inside of these folders because they do need to exist. So we touch them. Boop. Touch that one. And then we're going to touch this one. Boop. Oh, getting a little closer there. Naughty, naughty. Oh, shit. Oh, naughty, naughty. And then we're going to touch this one. Boop. Oh. And we're going to need to touch that one too. Oh yeah, that felt good. Okay. Okay, we need some logging directories for our main logs for log snort. And then we're also going to need a archive log. Yeah, I guess so. Well, we'll do it anyways. We'll create an archive logs folder. And then we need to set permissions on all of these folders because we don't want the hacky hackers to get in. And we don't want unauthorized access into these. So please follow the directions that I am performing in my putty terminal on yours. And if you don't want to do it, well, don't do it. Sudo chmod. I love it. There's no right clicking a little window in Ubuntu server, people. So we need to sudo. Okay, so now we need to take ownership of folders because Snort needs to own them because everything is going to run under Snort. I should call this Snorty, but the actual Linux name. Okay, so anyways, so we've done that. Now what do we need to do? We need to move some stuff. So we're gonna go back into our Snort folder where we downloaded. That would be the snort_source folder and then the Snort folder. And we need to copy some of the configurations that are in here. Oops. What'd I do? That's right. Sorry, one sec. Oh, etc. Duh. Sorry, I screwed that one up. So you're gonna go back into here, snort source, snort whatever, etc, and then run that. Derp, derp, derp. Because those files are in the etc directory of the Snort installation package. Okay. Don't worry about what these are. These are just required, like sigmap. And anyways, these you just do it. Okay. And we're gonna need to copy this snort sorry, it's not 299. It's 211. Okay. And then you're gonna run short map. Oh shit. Bing bong. Do that. It's gonna copy those over. So we're just copying everything over to dynamic processors. Okay. We're gonna print out a nice little pretty tree for you. This is the power of Linux. Oops, sorry. Oh, I don't have tree installed. Let's get tree. Should we get tree? Get tree. Oh, install. Yay, look at that. That's freaking awesome. Okay, so that's what your tree should look like. Am I missing something? No. All right. Now we're going to do some magic stuff here with the Linux terminal, and we are going to run this command here, which is going to basically comment out a bunch of lines in the snort configuration file. Okay, now we're going to use VI. Is anyone watching? I just like to check periodically. No, no one's fucking watching. Okay, so we're going to go back and we need to edit. This is very important now. Important step. We need to go and we need to edit the snort conf file, and we need to do the following. On line 45, you need to change your IPvar homenet from any. Change this to your network. Your network should look like, well, not like mine, but it would be like, in most cases, like 192.168. Oops, I messed up. 168, yeah. Dot like 1 or something like that. So your home network, remember, this doesn't end in a digit. This last octet is not a digit. This is the network here, 20 in my case, and this should stay 0. And then your subnet mask, you know that 255.255.255.0, that's /24. Okay, now what else do we need to do? We need to go down into var log. See these? This is line 104, I believe. Yeah. And everything here is going to be etc, oops, shit, etc/snort /rules, not double, just like that, /etc/snort /so rules. We're just changing all these, /etc/snort /preproc rules. Where else do we need to change? We need to make changes on here, whitelist and blacklists. It's gonna be etc. If you can guess this, you win the prize. Snort, right? Oh, wrong. We need rules. Oh, you lost the prize, sucker! I suckered you into that shit. Snort rules. Yeah, rules /rules. Oh, it's terrible. Rules. Okay, so etc snort rules. Oh, this should be IP lists. Duh. I friggin' lost. IP lists. etc snort rules IP list. etc snort rules IP list. This is for whitelist and the blacklist. And let's go all the way down to 5. Where is that again? We need to go down to 545, somewhere around here. Oh yeah, here we go. Remember that command that I said is gonna comment out all this shit? Well, that's what that did. Okay, we need to uncomment this line, uncomment, which means remove the comment. Oh, remove the comment to include rule path local dot rules. Now we're done in the config file. Right quit. Remember to write it, or you just fucking blew everything that we just did. Sorry for the swearing. YouTube not gonna like that. Okay, so then we're gonna run this command, ens160. This is the interface. This is your network interface. So we have here, basically what we're doing is we're running privileged snort. We're gonna test the configuration file, run in continuous mode on interface ens160. And if you hit enter, you should get this. Snort successfully validated configuration. Snort exiting. I love that ASCII art, man. ASCII art's the shit. ASCII art is the shit. Okay. We're done with this. We're going to move on and we're going to test a rule with Snorty Snort. We're going to go into, where are we going? We're going into the root rules file, right? That's where we're going? Yeah, one sec. Let me just queue up my thing. Boop, boop. In this rule file is empty. We are going, for testing purposes, we're going to add this. We're going to write and we're going to quit that. Okay. Now, this is a test so that when we ping this machine, it's going to trigger an alert and let us know in Snort. At the same time, we need to add this, and I'm not gonna get into the reasoning why just yet. We're gonna sudo vi into etc snort sigmap, and this is going to be a signature identification map, and we're going to add this. Does that look right? Okay. Just do it. Right quit. Okay, so let's see if we screwed up anything by making those changes. We're going to go back and we're going to run snort again like we just did and test the configuration file. The configuration file looks okay. And if we notice, if we scroll up, we see there's a new rule that we added. So that should increment by 1, right? Because we added that one line. So that's one rule, right? Are you guys following me? Okay. Here we go. You guys ready for the real deal now? Let's do it. We are going to ens160. Okay, we're gonna run snort for reals now. This is not for fakesies. Okay, we're gonna run snort, output it to the console. Use snort, use the snort conf that we generated. Use interface, blah blah blah. So we get this. Now, what's gonna happen? You're saying, well, what's up? What's happening? Okay, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna open up a command prompt on my other machine, and I'm going to, what was the IP of this thing? 34? Oh, look at that. So from another computer, I'm pinging this computer, and because we added that rule, it's now saying, hey, wait, someone's pinging me, look, and it's classifying it and it's showing the source and the destination IP. So this is currently working the way we want to. We can control C out of that. Now, if you go into cd var lug snort, you'll see that there is a log file that was created right now at 9:07. It's that early. Snort.log 15 blah 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 blah. If we cat that snort, oh, sudo cat, you bastard, you will see that it's a bunch of wobbly wonk wonk wonk. But basically that's the oh, how do we get out of here? Right, okay. Don't do that ever again. Okay. And if we run snort again, I believe we will have another log file. Let's ping it again. Patang, 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 patang. Sin sinak ak sin sinak ak sin sinak. Okay. Let's see if we have another loogie. Another loogie. You have another lug? We have another lug. Now, if I watch this, if I get a continuous ping going and I do this, you will see that the log file is growing. What? Should be growing. Oh shit, I'm not even running snort. I'm such a moron of epic proportions. Right? So you'll see that they're both 1104 right now, 1104 bytes. And now that one's 1914. And it's created another log file. Anyways, this is working fine. I don't need to kill this. Okay, so this is the end of part 2, configuring snort. See you in the next one, and I really appreciate that one viewer that's watching, which I believe is like the internal system. Thank you for watching. Part 3 coming up.